Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing video. Check out this 30 pack of these little keychain flashlights here. So pretty sweet. So these come in, what, 5 different colors? I'm sorry, 6 different colors. We got the green, we have red, we have purple, and black. We have blue and silver. There's our silver ones there. And then blue and red. So a bunch of cool colors there. And these come with 3 little batteries in there. Just unscrew this right here. And then it should have a little, it's got the 3 batteries there, and it's got a little paper thing there. You just remove that paper thing. And then you can just screw this in, make sure the flat part of the battery is facing this spring here, and just screw it in, press the button, and there we go. So, not like, it's a pretty small little flashlight here, but puts out a decent amount of light there. You can actually see it. These are pretty handy, like nice little gift for like parties or something like that, or maybe you have a school, some students that you teach or something, you give them like little prizes or different things. Lots of kids like flashlights for whatever reason. They're always fun to use in the dark and like reading and things like that. Also kind of handy, put them in a closet or something like that. If you don't have light in your closet, you can just hang these up anywhere, just put a little thumbtack on the wall or something like that, and you could have these lights all over the place if you wanted. But super handy to have little flashlights available, especially when the power goes out. We recently had a large forest fire near us, and the power has been out. It went out for about 3 days, and then they hooked up some generators, but you never know when something's going to happen and you're going to need some light. So pretty cool. You can put these in your little like tackle box, or put a couple in your car, different things like that. Put one on your keychain. So super handy, and there's 30 of them, so I mean, you could put them just about anywhere you wanted, or gift them to friends and things like that. So yeah, obviously green is my favorite color, so I like this one the best, but they all come with this nice little chain on there, as well as the keychain, and you can remove that if you want to, if you just wanted to put it in your pocket or something like that. But pretty cool. Thanks so much for watching this video, my friends. Have a great day. See you next time.